Positively Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga delivers natin, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. At present, more than 30,000 na po ang ating subscriber. Thank you very much. And 3.4 million na ang ating views sa lahat ng ating mga videos. Thank you for only more than a year. So, we've gone this far already. So, utang na loob ko po yan sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. OFW, maraming salamat sa inyo sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Unan na dyan ang sa Saudi, UAE, saan pa ba? Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, UK, US. So, yung mga Bahrain, yung mga iba't ibang bansa na taga dyan. Paano ko nalaman niya? Kasi nagme-message po sila sa akin at alam ko kung taga saang bansa sila. Dito naman sa Pilipinas, sa lahat ng mga gustong magnegosyo na nanonood, maraming salamat. Mga estudyante, mga kapamilya natin, my family, sa mga taga Asia Pacific, sa lahat na nanonood na aking mga YouTube channel, mga videos. Thank you very much po. Okay. Kasunod niya mga sinasabi ko na yan na pagdami ng ating views and everything. Gusto ko na rin i-discuss sa inyo ngayon. Kahit nandito yung nanay ko, maririnig niya yung pera natin. How do I earn at least 50 to 70,000 a month? An extra, okay? Extra. How I make 50 to 60,000 a month na extra money lang. I mean, you know, it's not coming from my job. I mean, from my full-time job. So, hindi ko na sasabihin kung magkano sweldo ko sa aking full-time job. But it's big. It's high. So, bukod doon sa monthly income natin, from being a principal and a full-time dean, yan, ng ating school. I'm a dean of College of Education and Academic Affairs and at the same time, principal of our school. It's a private school dito sa Bataan. So, aside from that, I'm earning extra 50 to 60,000 a month. So, how do I do that? Ano ba yung nangyari? So, it's actually more than sometimes yung income natin, yung extra money natin, it's more than my salary sa present job natin. Okay? So, there are times na ganon. So ano ba yung nangyari? What happened? So, bakit nagkaroon tayo ng ganito kalaki na extra money? From extra lang. That means it's not my main source of income, pero it's bigger sometimes from my full-time job. Yung iba may extra income, pero not this big. So, ano ba yung nangyari? So, I think I've done 3 things na pwede natin gayahin. So, I've done 3 things na pwede ka mag-electric pan. Harap na sa'yo. Okay, I've done 3 things na pwede natin gawin sa sarili natin. Okay? That give me 50 to 70,000 a month as an extra income. Okay. Number 1, I develop a high-paying skill. Yan. So, I became a speaker. So, it's a high-paying skill. I didn't know that it will give me a lot of money. Nung una, nagustuhan ko lang, nasiyahan lang ako when I started my speaking career. When I discovered that I want to be a speaker. So, nagustuhan ko lang kasi nag-enjoy ako, nag-joke ako, binili naman ng mga estudyante namin, natawa naman sila, and I'm sure nag-enjoy sila sa seminar ko, 40 minutes. Then after that, gusto ko lang mag-discuss sa church, sa mga young people pa, gusto ko nang puntahan. Then eventually, I was invited sa school, sa public school, sa private school. I was able to talk to Holy Angel University, Holy Family Academy, sa San Fernando. Napunta na tayo Nueva Ecija, Baguio City, and even different companies, San Miguel Corporation, mga municipalities, Balanga City, and marami na tayong napuntahan. And it's a high-paying skill, and I got paid ng rate na gusto natin. So, there are private companies na nagbabayad talaga ng gusto natin. So, and that gave me a lot of money, you know, yung being a speaker, okay? It's a high-paying skill. So, if you want to earn extra money, that's big extra money, develop a high-paying skill. So, sinabi ko na po yan, di ba? I heard it actually from Dan Lac, the triangle of, meron tumatawag o Saudi sagutin natin Saudi Arabia kasi. Saan nila mga Givers Ayan tumawag from Saudi Arabia. Ayan, nag-order ng 2 books, 2 t-shirt, 1 sling bag, tsaka 1 book natin. So, ipapadala na dito sa kamag-anak niya dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, so in-accommodate natin. Kasi alam ko po, pag kayo tumawag sa ibang bansa, kasi nababasa ko Saudi Arabia or kahit anong bansa na nakalagay po or private number or international call, basta nag-register na gano'n, kung wala rin lang akong meetings office, sinasagot po natin yan para kasi alam ko yung mga time nyo, sinisingit nyo lang just to call me, diba? So, salamat po sir. Okay, tuloy po tayo. So, you have to develop high-paying skill. Ano ba yung high-paying skill na kaya mo? Okay? So, baka meron ka rin gusto mo rin maging speaker. Actually, I have a class. So, meron akong speakers masterclass. So, if you want to, to join this class, so, pwede po kayong ang tawag dito, mag-enroll, po. So, maraming high-paying skill like being a vlogger. Okay? So, imagine mo, principal na vlogger. Sabi ko sa isang kaibigan ko, we were discussing things. Sabi ko, baka naman dito sa Pilipinas, ako lang ang vlogger na principal. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung may ibang principal na part-time vlogger. I don't know. Kung meron po, congratulations sa atin, di ba? Pero I chose extraordinary things. Hindi siya pangkaraniwan para sa isang principal na maging vlogger, na magpunta sa, mag-interview ng mga malilit na negosyo. Ang interview na like bigasan, sari-sari store, nagtinda ng balot, nagtinda ng mga fishball, mga inihaw. So, marami rin tayong pinagdaanan sa pagiging vlogger. So, yung mga ginawa natin na kung isa kang principal siguro, hindi mo na naising gagawin yun. But ako, I did it. Na-challenge ako Actually, I started with curiosity. Naisip ko, what does it take to be a vlogger? Or ano ba talagang feeling ng isang vlogger? So, I tried it. Or ng isang YouTuber. Diba? So, sinubukan natin. I tried extraordinary thing. Diba? I tried it. So, ang advice ko sa atin ngayon, ano yung extraordinary thing na parang meron kang curiosity o meron kang interest? Ano ba yon? So, you have to do that. You have to discover it. Diba? Pag gumawa kasi na extraordinary, parang una, maisip mo, lalabas ka sa box lalabas ka dyan sa kinaroroonan mo, napaka-formal. Imagine, yung office ko, it's a formal thing. My position is very formal. Like, being the Dean of Academic Affairs, nakikita mo ko sa daan, nag-interview ng mga nagtitinda ng mangga, so something na parang hindi usual na ginagawa ng isang principal. But I did it, diba? I did it. Doon ako nag-start. So ngayon, hindi ko na siya ginagawa ngayon kasi medyo busy tayo, marami tayong mga ginagawa pa ngayon. So I just hired research assistant or field researchers to do that in my behalf. Or minsan yung pamangkin ko, pinapapunta ko sa my event na hindi ko kayang puntahan, di ba? So, hanggang sa ngayon, nag-endorse na tayo ng mga products, nag-endorse na tayo ng mga business. So, I'm already this far, not that too far pa naman. So, we're just starting actually. Pero, nag-start tayo doing simple things. And I considered it as an extraordinary. It's an extraordinary thing, but it gave me an extra 50 to 60,000 a month in total ng lahat ng income natin. Okay? And, third na ginawa natin is, writer, di ba? Mga high-paying skill yan So, you just have to list down your skill, then tinan mo doon, ano yung pinakagusto mo, and at the same time, alam mo, it's high-paying, you have to do that. Okay? So, yun yung una kong ginawa. Second kong ginawa ay, I started, become an extraordinary. Alright, so paano po yan? Ganito I'm a principal, okay? So from principal to being, I started producing something. So nag-produce tayo ng something. Like, I write a book, diba? I produce my product, like t-shirt, mga I can change product na ngayon binibili ng mga delivers natin. Like to, maghuhulog tayo tomorrow. So something like that. Be a producer, sabi ko nga, isa sa mga sikretong mayayaman, hindi lang sila consumer, hindi lang sila bili ng bili. They are also buyer or producer ng something. So you have to become a producer. You have to produce something to earn money, diba? So I produce my book. It's giving me income right now. and I produce items, t-shirt. So, yung mga ginawa natin, 3 things na ginawa ko that gave me an extra 50 to 60,000. So, ano yung ngayon? Ano yung extra thing na gusto mong gawin? Okay? So, ano yung, I did 3 things, okay? I developed high-paying job, I did extraordinary thing, and I produced something. So, you can do this actually, this formula. You can do these simple steps. Pwede mo yung gayahin as a start. If you want to start to earn extra money, then eventually you can create your own formula, or you can create your own strategy. Then you can share that to everybody. Marami pong pwedeng gawin. Sabi nga ni Jack Ma one time, naisip niya daw, sabi niya, parang si Zuckerberg and si Bill Gates, naubos na lahat ng opportunity dito sa mundo. Pero hindi pala, kasi he created his own opportunity. So, nagkaroon siya Alibaba.com, di ba? So, kung naisip natin na parang naubos na lahat ng opportunity sa buong mundo, naubos na lahat ng mga chances to become rich or success, naubos na lahat ng mga tao, no, hindi pa po. Ang dami pang mga roads na hindi pa nadadaanan, ang dami pang mga path na hindi pa na-discover, diba? So, you just have to discover. You just have to do something. Sabi ko kanina sa message ko sa church namin sa Gospel Hour, you have to do something different. You have to break that routine, diba? Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, yung sinasabi ni Jim Rohn, alam ko, kabisado nyo na to. If you are doing the same thing every day for the next 5 years, you'll have the same life, okay? So, if you don't want to have the same life right now, the same money, the same opportunities, everything, you have to do something different, okay? Yun yung naging sikreto ko po. I started doing something new. I started developing new skill, producing something, and doing the extraordinary na wag tayong kabahan, wag tayong matakot, wag tayong mahiya. You just have to do something, discover these things, and your finances will change, diba? So, yun yung mga sikreto. Alright? So, how did I earn this extra 50 to 60,000 a month? Because of these things, okay? You can also do these things. You can also do the same, alright? So, please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin na gusto, alam mo, merong anong tawag dito, potential to do the same thing, di ba? So, para makatulong tayo, sama-sama tayo mabago ang ating buhay. Alright, so, if you have other questions, suggestions, you can comment sa aking FB page na lang o sa aking FB account, Gigi Sunga, Dr. Gigi Sunga, okay? So, pansamantala, magpapahinga na po tayo. This is my 5th vlog. Nakalimang vlog tayo ngayon. Pahinga na tayo, then pawala na yung boss natin. Then, magsulat na lang muna tayo. We'll be doing grades for for my subjects. I'm teaching, being a principal and dean, I have loads, so I'm teaching grade 7, and I'm teaching college course audit, and I'm teaching nursing students research. So, yung mga load natin na pinagtutunan natin ng pansin. Okay, so doon naman tayo pupunta ngayon after this. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!